Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Bellabox, so let's get into it. Box is a bit heavier this month, can feel something rolling around in there. It's the card on top and the products. Ooh, Eternal Youth. This is what I like to hear. This is the Dr. Lewinn's Eternal Youth Day and Night Serums, full size. It's 30 mils, retails for $69.95 at drlewinns.com.au and Priceline. Hello, I am excited for this. Eternal Youth, yes. Day and Night Serum, yes. Dr. Lewinn's, yes. Full size, yes. $70, yes. This is exciting. I cannot wait to try this out. And the bottle is nice and fancy. Kind of reminds me of the Lancome, I think it is. Their serum bottle. But yeah, I am so excited to try this out. This is an awesome, expensive product. Love that they included that for us. Next, we have something very, very boring, and that is a Dermaloom 75% alcohol hand sanitizer. This one is $3.55, it's 60 mils. We can get 300 ml size for $6.70, a 500 ml size for $10.05, 1 litre for $16.80. It's available at Priceline, Catch and Dermaloom.com.au. Dermaloom's hand sanitizer fights 99.99% of germs and leaving hands clean without water. With vitamin E and aloe vera to nourish the skin and a fragrance-free formula, it is suitable for the whole family. I work in pharmacy. I have so much hand sanitizer, it's not funny, and there's like no COVID here in Adelaide, so I just have so much. Like, there's only so much hand sanitizer someone in Adelaide can use, so this will just be stashed away, you know, but I'll get to it at some point. But I have so much. And we've gotten a bunch of them in these boxes, which is great, you know, for other states who actually have a COVID case. We don't have any, so, you know, good to have just in case, but I do seem to have quite a bit of it. This also does expire in April next year, so I can understand, like, the sanitizers we have at my work in my chemist expire in March next year, and we're reducing them below cost price to try and move them. So yeah, I can see why they kind of they made a ton of these in COVID, and now they need to get rid of them, so subscription boxes it is. I completely understand the logic behind it all. Next, we have another Fudge product. It is the Fudge Clean Blonde Damage Rewind Violet Toning Shampoo. This is the sample size of 50 mils, but the 250 ml full size is $26.99 at Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, Coles and Woolworths. Erase damaged and unwanted yellow skin tones in one wash. This dual force shampoo contains salon strength violet micro pigments that instantly knock out brassy tones, whilst Optiplex technology penetrates deep into the hair's core to reconstruct bonds after chemical styling and environmental damage. So because my hair is much darker blonde, it just doesn't, these products, these purple shampoos and these like brightening sort of products, they just never seem to work on my hair. It definitely works better on hair that has like been dyed blonde, but I'll give it a go nonetheless. I've just never found success with them personally. Next, we have a Philosophy product. This is the Philosophy Purity Makeup Remover. It is just sample size, but the full 195 ml full size is $39 at Maya, Sephora and Adore Beauty. With high performance formulation, Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Waterproof Makeup Remover makes a quick and easy sweep to wipe away all makeup, including the notoriously stubborn. Its gentle emollient formula is tug-free and prepares the skin for easy cleansing. This is actually a great product to receive, just because I only use like makeup remover when I'm like removing like waterproof mascara and things like that. And because it's not something I wear all the time, like having a full size kind of sucks. So like I have a mini one from Sephora and I probably only use half of it. But once I finish that, this would be a great one to use, just because I don't need a full size of a makeup remover. I tend to use my micellar water and then a cleanser. But for, you know, waterproof mascara and things like that, a proper makeup remover is necessary. So to have a small one on hand is really great, and it's an awesome brand, and it comes from places like Sephora. So, you know, I'm keen to give that one a go. It's a great product. And something that we all got in the box this month, it is the BellaPierre Cosmetics Brown Eyed Girl Palette. I have blue eyes, but I will wear it nonetheless. It is full size and retails for $32.79 at BellaPierre.com. This highly pigmented and super blendable eyeshadow palette features one rich cherry brown matte, two silky shimmers, and one chromatic rose gold shade to get you glam ready. Each of its 4 shades are expertly coordinated shades for multiple makeup looks. Ooh. Actually looks really nice. That's the shades swatched on my finger. This sparkly one is very soft. It even like dented the pan. So yeah, that's really gonna stick onto your eye. So let's swatch them. Ooh, that glitter might need like a glitter glue or something. But yeah, that's a really pretty palette. Can't wait to get some use out of that one. And then we also have a DoorDash card. So I probably won't get any use out of that, but you know, it is what it is. So looking at the box as a whole, I'm actually really happy with the box this month. The Dr. Lewinn Serum is an awesome product, and I'd really love to see more of that stuff, like that kind of products coming into the box. It's expensive, it's a full size, it's like a luxurious facial serum, like absolutely love that. The Purity makeup remover, also a great product in the box, and the eyeshadow palette is awesome. The Fudge, like purple shampoo thing, it's okay, but like I don't get excited about it. And the same with the hand sanitizer, like it's handy and I get like exactly why it's in the box, but it's just personally just doesn't get me excited. So yeah, all in all, it's a big thumbs up from me on this box. Let me know in the comments what you got in your box this month. What did you think about the palette that we got? Because I know we all got that one in the box. Did you get anything else that I didn't, or did you get anything I did? Please, let's have a convo in the comments. What did you like, what you don't? And yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.